Morning everyone. For those of you joining me for the first time, my name is Jenny and this morning I will be making shakshuka. This is one of my daughter's favorite recipes and I'm doing it for her today. She turns 20 today. So happy birthday Hannah Rose, this is for you. Shakshuka is a dish that comes from North African, Middle Eastern areas and it's eaten at any time of the day. It's a very healthy vegetarian dish that consists of tomato and onion base with some eggs and a few veggies. If you get the opportunity to make this dish, please pop me a picture, send me a comment and tell me how it turned out. I'd love to see your pictures of you in the kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe and send me some comments below. So let's get started. I've chopped up 1 clove of garlic, you can add more. I have 1 onion, red pepper, green pepper, some eggs, olive oil, marinara sauce, and some herbs. So once you've chopped all these veggies up, you're going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into your frying pan or your skillet on the stove, and you're going to add all these veggies. I'm using one of my favorite Le Creuset oven-safe skillets. I then like to add some spices, mixed spice, salt and pepper, some parsley, and then some paprika. Next you will need to add your marinara sauce or your tins of tomato and onion. I live in Atlanta and like to support all the local farms around. Most of my fresh ingredients here come from Fresh Harvest, including my marinara sauce. I'll add a link for Fresh Harvest in my description below. Next I added about 10 mushrooms chopped up to my simmering sauce on the stove. Now you need to create small wells and then crack each egg into the well. I'm going to put 5 eggs into my tomato mixture. Be careful that your sauce is not too hot because the tomato sauce could splash onto your clothes, which is no fun at all. Honestly, this dish is super easy. After I did it for the first time, we've done it over and over again. It's just scrumptious and filling and a perfect treat in lockdown. My family prefer their eggs hard, but you can cook it according to how you enjoy your eggs. I will put the full recipe and ingredients in my description below. Then just to finish off, I normally add 2 or 3 handfuls of spinach and some fresh parsley if you can find that. It just adds a delicious flavor. Put the lid on and then pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Whilst it was in the oven, I set the table, got our toast ready, and then it was good to go. As you can see, a piping hot shakshuka ready to be eaten. A healthy breakfast, great for a special occasion. I'm going to go and sit outside with my daughter now and enjoy this. We're just serving it with some toast, but you can also serve it with pita bread. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today.